Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best allergy eye is probably one of the most essential items for anyone suffering from seasonal allergies or environmental irritants that cause discomfort, redness, and itching around the eyes, offering much-needed relief and clarity so you can go about your day without constant irritation. This product aims to soothe sensitive eyes, reduce inflammation, and provide a protective barrier against allergens, making it a crucial part of your daily routine during allergy season or whenever your eyes feel stressed. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Tired of puffy eyes and under-eye bags? Discover a solution designed to visibly reduce their appearance. It's time to refresh your look. Experience intense hydration thanks to the power of hyaluronic acid. This formula helps replenish your skin's moisture barrier for a smoother feel. Enriched with niacinamide, it helps calm and soothe the delicate skin around your eyes. Enjoy a more comfortable and revitalized eye area. A unique marine botanical complex works to improve the appearance of tired-looking eyes. It helps to revitalize and brighten the under-eye area. This oil-free formula is ophthalmologist tested, making it suitable for the sensitive skin around your eyes. It's gentle yet effective for daily use. See a noticeable difference in puffiness and the appearance of bags. Achieve a smoother, more rested look with consistent use. What we like? This option is excellent for daily hydration and repair. It effectively tackles puffiness and bags under the eyes. If you're looking for a gentle, oil-free formula that's ophthalmologist tested, this is a great choice for everyday use. What people say. The texture is lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't feel greasy at all, which makes it perfect for daily use and under makeup. It feels very gentle and soothing. I've already noticed that my under-eye area looks more hydrated, smoother, and refreshed. This eye cream has made a noticeable difference in the hydration and smoothness of my under-eye area. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. Number 4. LUMIFY Redness Reliever Eye Drops. Are you struggling with red, tired-looking eyes? Wish you could achieve brighter, more vibrant eyes instantly? We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing LUMIFY, the revolutionary redness reliever designed to transform your eyes. It's specifically formulated to reduce redness and enhance the natural brightness of your eyes. Experience the magic as it starts working in just 60 seconds. Say goodbye to redness and hello to visibly brighter eyes in no time. Enjoy the benefits of brighter-looking eyes for up to 8 hours. Its long-lasting formula ensures your eyes stay vibrant throughout the day. Achieve the brighter, more awake appearance you desire. LUMIFY gently reduces redness, revealing the true brilliance of your eyes. This gentle yet effective formula is designed for your comfort. It's the perfect choice for anyone seeking to refresh and revitalize their eyes. What we like? Experience rapid relief from red eyes, working in just 1 minute. Its effects can last up to 8 hours, providing sustained brightness. If you need quick and effective redness reduction for a brighter appearance, this is the one to consider. What people say. The drops work really quickly. Within a minute or two, my eyes look noticeably whiter and less red. The formula is gentle and non-stinging, and it doesn't make my eyes feel dry or heavy. They honestly work exactly as advertised. The biggest thing is how fast they kick in. Within about a minute, my eyes look noticeably whiter and less irritated. And the effect actually lasts for hours, up to around 6 to 8 hours. Number 3. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. Are you struggling with dark circles, puffiness, or wrinkles under your eyes? Our advanced formula is designed to tackle these common concerns, leaving your skin looking refreshed and revitalized. This powerful cream works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and bags, helping to restore a smoother, more youthful look. It's perfect for anyone seeking to combat the signs of aging around their eyes. We understand that delicate skin needs special care. That's why our eye cream is formulated to be gentle and effective, even for those with sensitive skin, providing essential moisture without irritation. Experience a noticeable improvement in skin dryness and overall appearance. Our product is crafted to deliver visible results, enhancing your natural beauty. Proudly made in the USA, our eye cream is produced with the highest standards of quality. You can trust in a product that's made with care and attention to detail. Say goodbye to tired-looking eyes and hello to a brighter, more awake appearance. This cream is your daily essential for achieving a refreshed and radiant look. What we like. This product is designed to combat dark circles and wrinkles while improving dryness. It's specifically formulated for sensitive skin, making it a gentle yet effective option. If you have concerns about aging signs and sensitive skin, this is a highly suitable choice. What people say. This eye cream I have used as a whole face moisturizer and it's amazing. It really moisturizes but doesn't leave me clogged or greasy. I don't use primarily around my eyes, but most eye creams burn or irritate and this one does not. Softer, more hydrated, younger looking skin. A little goes a long way. Number 2. Opcon-A Allergy Eye Drops. Are you suffering from itchy, red eyes due to allergies? Don't let pollen, grass, or pet dander ruin your day. Find soothing relief with this clinically proven formula. This powerful antihistamine works quickly to combat allergy symptoms. It targets irritation and redness, providing much-needed comfort. Whether it's pollen, ragweed, grass, or animal hair and dander, this formula is designed to soothe the irritation caused by common allergens. Trust in a formula that's clinically proven to provide effective relief. You can count on it to help you feel better. Get a convenient pack of 2, ensuring you have lasting comfort for your allergy season. Keep one at home and one on the go. What we like. Get relief from itchy, red eyes caused by common allergens. This clinically proven formula soothes irritation effectively. If you suffer from allergies due to pollen, grass, or pet dander and need antihistamine relief, this is a reliable solution. What people say. Amazing product with lightning quick effectivity. If you have itchy or dry eyes or both, this is the product for you. Works almost instantly, great itch and redness relief. They work quickly to relieve redness and itching from pollen and pet dander, and the formula is more than adequate for daily use. Number 1. Alaway Antihistamine Eye Drops. Are you suffering from itchy eyes? Find fast-acting relief that lasts. Our clinically tested formula is designed to soothe your discomfort. Experience relief that works quickly when you need it most. This powerful solution targets the source of your eye itch. Enjoy freedom from itchy eyes for up to 12 hours. One application provides long-lasting comfort, so you can get back to your day. This is a clinically tested, prescription-strength formula. It delivers powerful relief without a prescription. Our antihistamine eye drops are both gentle on your eyes and highly effective. Get the relief you deserve. This value pack includes 2 bottles, ensuring you always have relief on hand. Keep one at home and one on the go. What we like. Enjoy fast-acting relief from itchy eyes that lasts for up to 12 hours. It offers clinically tested, prescription-strength efficacy. If you need long-lasting and potent relief from eye itchiness, this is an excellent option for extended comfort. What people say. My eyes felt a slight sting, but right after, golden. Soothing, clear, and no itch. It lasted all day. These eye drops are easy to use and help my itchy, allergy eyes. The drops usually start helping within a few minutes and keep the itching under control for a good while. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.